Guys, quick and useful tip for you on how to use Gemini to search whatever you want in Google Chrome. So once you open up your Google Chrome browser, guys, if you want to utilize the power of Gemini, just simply click in the address bar and you want to type the at symbol. Now, once you type the at symbol, as you can see here, there's a bunch of options come up. You have the tab, history, bookmark, and Gemini. So you don't even have to type the word Gemini. Just simple click the option that says Gemini and it will put the chat option or the chat feature in the Google Chrome, and now you can ask whatever you want. So let's ask this. What is Gemini? You can ask it whatever you want. What is Gemini AI? And watch this. It's going to open up the Gemini prompt, but keep in mind that you need to log into Gemini. So if you've never logged into Gemini before, it's going to ask you to do so. But I have a second window open here, which I basically have Gemini use. So I'm going to simply go ahead and open up a new window there, right? Because I don't want to log into that right now. So again, type in the at sign, click the Gemini option, ask whatever you want. What is Gemini AI? Look at this. It's going to open up the Gemini console, and see it open up this Gemini right here, and it's going to answer the question. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way but you don't want to head over to gemini.com to sign in, you can simply access this from your browser. But the first thing you want to ensure that you do is go to google.gemini and sign in first and foremost. That way it can easily sign you in. And the reason why I'm saying this, and I open up a second browser here to show you, because in this browser I've logged in before, but in the previous window here, as you can see, it doesn't allow me to log in because I've never done that. So if you want to access Gemini, follow the steps. Simple click chat with Gemini, accept the terms and conditions. So go ahead and click use Gemini. It will give you a welcome here. So simple click on next, scroll down, click on turn on, and this will log you straight into Gemini. So as you can see, I'm in Gemini here, guys. And once you're ready to use the power of Gemini, you can easily do so. Now again, let's say I do that now. I can simply close out and I can do the same thing at go down to Gemini, and as you can see, I have the new feature. So I can ask it something. What time is it right now in Czech Republic, right? So ask it a quick question. What time is it right now in Czech Republic? And as you can see, it start utilizing the power of Gemini within this browser. So as you can see here, guys, the importance is that you need to log in. So if you're trying this within your computer and you realize that it doesn't take you to Gemini right away, you need to follow the steps, utilize, sign into the chat, and from now on, once you close your browser and you want to quickly access this, you can easily access it just like this. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.